Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Sav and today I will be DIYing these pins for you guys today. Yeah. Alright, without further ado, let's grab our glue sticks, scissors, and let's get crafting. The supplies you will need for this DIY includes some pictures or images you want to use as your pins design. You can certainly draw them, you don't have to print them out, but I did for this one. Paper to cover your hard surface while painting so you don't get it messy. Cardboard, scissors, Mod Podge, glue sticks, safety pins, bottle caps of varying sizes, white paint, pencil, and your hot glue. First, you just want to prep your images for tracing, so if you need to cut them out, go ahead and do so. I'm going to cut out mine right now. Once you have prepped your images for tracing, go ahead and decide which shape you want for which picture. Then go ahead and use your pencil and just trace your design out. Like so. Once you have finished tracing out your circles on your images, you can then go ahead and cut them out. These are what mine turned out when I cut them out, and I'm just going to take my eraser, just erase the pencil marks that are shown. Next, you're going to take your bottle caps, your cardboard, and your pencil, and you're going to trace out how many circles you have. So I have 2 small circles, and I have 3 big circles. So I'm just going to trace those out on cardboard. Now with your cut out cardboard pieces, we're just going to go ahead and paint them white. Just do it on both sides, and I'm doing 2 coats for each. Once you have finished painting your cardboard circles, then you're going to just glue stick them on. And repeat this for all of these. Next, you're just going to give them a coat of Mod Podge. Alright, so the next step now is to just hot glue your safety pins to the back of your pins. So what I found easiest is to do it while it's open so you know which way you're gluing it. So you don't glue it on backwards and then you messed up your pin. But just be careful not to stab yourself. I will not be held responsible. Alright. So let's just make sure we're gluing it the right way. Whoop. Add some glue to the back. Just add our safety pin. You might need to hold it in place for a little bit just so it can stick in. Just going to repeat that for the rest of your pins. And there you have your pins. Thank you all for watching this video. Hopefully you all enjoyed it. Subscribe for more and leave a comment down below on which pin you think you like the best. Go ahead and follow me on my Instagram. It will be linked down below. Hope you all have a good rest of your day. Bye!